I'm not a champ.
Yeah, you are. Take it. Show everyone how you do it, and then complain to Tylenol for making a horrible tasting syrup.
It's not syrup.
Well, cough syrup. That's what it's called, cough syrup. It's not maple syrup, is it?
No.
Okay, let's go.
I wish it was maple syrup.
Let's go. Come on.
Don't videotape me.
Okay, well.
I can't have another.
Okay, if you don't do it, then Dad has to do it for you. Just take it like a champ and drink your water chaser.
I need to have all of that.
No, just that. Just what you're having.
And when I'm done this, I need more of that?
No, just take that and that's it. Let's go. Let's go.
I can't do
You just
it.
did one. Let's go. You just did one. Come on, you got it.
I can't.
Okay, so I'm going to do it for you if you don't do it in 3, 2, 1, go. There you go. Drink your water. Give you the shibby-shibbies. Drink your water. Okay, there you go. Who's the boss? Say hi, Alan. Say hi, Alan.
Hi, Alan.
Say it. I want some new cough syrup.
I want some new cough syrup, and I hope it's not horrible and green.
All right, you're a boss. I love you.
I'm not having any more of that.